Today I'm going to show you how to insert an emoji in Telegram in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy tutorial, whether you want to make your messages more expressive, add a little personality, or just learn where the emoji button is inside Telegram. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where you want to send your message. You can use any private chat, group chat, or channel chat where sending messages is allowed. Once you're inside the conversation, tap the message box at the bottom of the screen and start typing your message. After you've entered your text, look for the smiley icon next to the message box. This is the emoji button, and it's usually right beside the typing area, so it's easy to find. Go ahead and click or tap that smiley icon. When the emoji panel opens, you'll see a wide selection of emojis you can use. Scroll through the list, browse the categories, or search if your version of Telegram supports it. Once you find the emoji you want, just click on it to insert it into your message. You can add one emoji or several depending on how you want your message to look. If you want, you can type more text and then add more emojis before sending. Telegram makes it very simple to combine text and emojis so your chats feel more fun and expressive. After you're happy with your message and the emoji you've added, click send. Your message will be delivered instantly with the emoji included, and that's it. You've now learned how to insert emoji in Telegram. It only takes a few seconds once you know where the button is. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides, app tips, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.